Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to clone yourself as an AI character on Character AI. First, open your browser and go to the Character AI website, then log into your account. Once you're on the homepage, click on Create on the left side and select Character. Next, give your character a name. You can use your own name if you want the AI to represent you. After that, upload a profile picture or generate one using the AI image option. Then add a tagline and write a description about yourself. In this section, describe your personality, how you speak, your interests, and the way you usually respond. This helps the AI behave more like you. After that, set a greeting message. This is the first message your AI character will send when someone starts a chat. If you want to add more details, open more options and write a short backstory or extra information about your character. Finally, choose the visibility settings. You can make it public, unlisted, or private. Then click Create Character. And that's it. You've successfully created an AI character that represents you on Character AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick AI tutorials.